Is that good, Candy? Alright, now to show you what we're doing. Okay, so it's dinner, and we're eating some tater tots, and this is some ketchup and a piece of tater tot in there. But yeah, it's just ketchup, and every time I put it over here, he knows exactly what to do with that ketchup. Pretty ingenious, if you ask me. I like how he even uses like two pinky or his dipping hand, the dip hand. It's very good though. Tater tots and chicken sandwich with a bunch of toppings and bacon, of course. Hey, Jane. You waving? You done with the hat? Uh-oh. Where's the hat?
Hat? No.